Oh, look what just came. All I've done is cut the tape. I haven't opened it yet. I'm doing this with one hand. We're gonna do this fast. No point in keeping it going. Oh, stickers! Oh, that's a skin for a frame, I guess, right? For the CL1, and I know somebody. I was about to say I know someone that has a frame, but I got a frame. I just ordered a frame too. Oh, that is so awesome, man. That is really cool. They are. That's weird that they're doing the CL1 again, but I guess this is the new version, though, huh? That's so awesome. I guess that's probably the boost item there. Let's see what proxies are. Let's see which ones. They're. I can't focus on it. It's by 4.3 by 3, the BS2s. Cool. I love HQ props. Those are my favorites. My favorites. Oh, I thought those were stickers. And let's see if the coupon's any good. Well, no, I'm not going to show you my coupon code. I might use it. And who is the sticker or the t-shirt? I know you guys know who this is. Oh, it's Liftoff. They said it was Liftoff themed. I thought maybe, hey, there's my code. I'm not going to post it till I use it. I wonder if that'd be cool if they gave me the actual Liftoff game. That's it. Thanks for watching.